What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for almost 900 subscribers. I'm humbled by that, and I really appreciate all the support. So thank you so much. Keep it coming. I want to talk about rocket companies today. I made a video a couple weeks ago about RKT and how I was trading some options. I did close those options out last night. The reason is, I don't get it. I don't get it. Rocket companies had an absolute record-breaking quarter. They could be considered the #1 and #2 mortgage lender in the United States, and their stock is down. Look at this. Look at this. They're down 3% today, and they were down last night. So I'm sitting there listening to the call, waiting for the stock to move, waiting for the stock to move. This company is extremely undervalued. I am extremely bullish in this company. I'm done with my options on this for now because I made a good few $100s on those options. I was hoping to make a lot more, but that's fine. I still made some money on the options, but at $20.92 a share, under $21 per share. I mean, this company is extremely undervalued, and I want you guys to know that. At $42 billion market cap right now, I mean, whew, and I'll show you why. Okay? Their closed origination volume, look at this, was up 122% year over year to a record $89 billion. They increased their GAAP net income by 506% year over year to $3 billion. And they said, you know what? We're undervalued. They announced a $1 billion share repurchase authorization. So they're going to buy back some shares. There's no reason they shouldn't. This is a smart move from the CEO of this company. So I want to go over some of these numbers. And I mean, this is a really smart company, very tech-oriented company. But the market, some of the questions and stuff from like J.P. Morgan and Goldman and stuff on the investors call, they're very bank-oriented questions. So they're still treating this company like a bank and not a tech company. And I get it. It's a mortgage company. That's primarily where they get their revenue. But this is going to be a big company. It is extremely undervalued right now, and I hope you can see why. So during the third quarter, I want to highlight this section here. During the third quarter, they generated record closed loan origination volume of $89 billion, net rate lock volume of $94.7 billion, which represented year-over-year growth of 102% and 101% respectively. Okay? They increased their gain on sale margin by 37% year-over-year to an historically strong 4.5%. Those margins on mortgages, I mean, that's absolutely crazy, 4.5%. They continued to leverage their approximately 2,900 team of technology members with more than $500 million of an annual investment in the company's technology to further innovate, increase monthly loan production capacity, and enhance efficiency. So this is a company that they're spending a ton of money on their tech, just a ton of money. They talked about, and I don't know if this is in here. Yeah, so they grew their revenue. It's not in here. A lot of their revenue was generated by AI. The CEO said that they're making 1 billion decisions. Their machine learning and AI they're making 1 billion decisions per day with their AI. So I mean, as they get more and more market share, the growth, just like similar with Tesla and their their autonomy, right? The more people drive and use autopilot and use their self-driving features, the more exponential the growth is in the learning, right? So the more customers that rocket companies has on their AI and tech platform, the easier it is, right? That for that section of their business to grow exponentially. So just kind of keep that in mind, okay? They grew their total revenue, their net revenue by 186%, 186% versus last year. They increased their other income by 140%. They talked about Amrock being their title insurance company. Listen, Amrock, okay? We know that real estate is increasingly going digital. I used to have my real estate license, so that's why I like to kind of stick with what I know. I like Rocket companies, and I like Open Door. That's why I invest in IPOB, okay? And that's why I love this Rocket company here as well. But Amrock is a title company that is under the Rocket companies as well. And Amrock, as real estate goes more and more digital, Amrock did 90%. They had 90% of all the e-filings for titles. 90% market share. Think about that. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. I hope that you guys are excited for this company. They just won another JD Power Award, 11 straight years. You can see that right here. This is a great company, and their customers love them. And the reason I point that out is they have a net client retention rate of 92%. This is like an unparalleled number, 92% retention rate. So that means, right, as people move and they refinance and they buy different houses, and maybe they buy a second home, or maybe they get insurance or whatever, 92% of the customers stick. They have very sticky customers. 92% of them stick with Rocket Mortgage. That is unparalleled in the mortgage industry for sure, and it rivals some of the subscription-based businesses in the world. So they're a really smart company. They have some great outlook for the fourth quarter. They believe that they'll close between $88 and $93 billion in loans in the fourth quarter. That would represent an increase of 73 to 83% versus last year. So this is a tremendous growth quarter over quarter, okay? This is a great company. Seriously, I want you guys to get this on your radar. I can't talk about it enough. I know it's been a couple weeks, but it seriously is. It's a great company, and I want you guys to get it on your radar, because I think this company is extremely undervalued. I think this could be a $90 billion market cap company next year. Once investors catch on, once they prove themselves over the next few quarters, if they keep getting 70 to 150% growth quarter over quarter, I mean, holy crap, right? This could be absolutely massive. And you could get ahead of the curve. You could get ahead of the curve by investing now. Again, now this could go to zero. I don't know, right? Like the company could go bankrupt for all I know. I'm just a guy on YouTube. I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't make financial decisions based on what I say. But man, I'm really excited about this company. I hope you guys can tell. So thank you guys for tuning in to another video. Yeah, let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the week. That would be absolutely amazing. If you didn't already do it, as always, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.